Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you don't see battery percentage next to your battery icon on your ZTE Blade V70 Vita smartphone. To fix this issue, you have to go to settings, and in settings go to the battery menu. Then in battery menu select more settings, and here next to the battery percentage you'll be able where your battery percentage is displayed, and you can change this value to either show it inside of the battery or outside of the battery. If don't display battery percentage or don't display battery icon is selected, you will not see your current percentage, so select one of the two options in the middle. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.